Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Discord a JavaScript error occurred in the main process on Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. The solution is to uninstall the Discord completely and reinstall it. To do this, you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. Select the zip file and download this Geek uninstaller. After getting download done, you just need to open the zip file. Double click on the geek.exe. Select yes. Now you just need to right click on the Discord and select uninstall. Now to delete this leftover files, you just need to select finish. Now after clearing this, close it off here. Now you just need to check my video description for this Discord link. Click on the download for Windows and download the Discord guys. After getting Discord download done, you just need to click on it and install it guys. After getting installed done, you just need to log into your account. Select login. After logging to your account, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.